So when the Asplundh crews go out to a storm, we often go into communities that have been devastated. Trees are down, poles are down, wires are down. The vegetation guys are often the first guys in as the first responders. And they go in and they will, clear out the vegetation and cut the trees up and assist people in need.
In a storm, there's always chaos. You have folks that are calling in saying, my power's out, my line's down. We need to secure those areas. We need to make those safe. We need to get onto the job as quickly as possible. And we must do it with the safety of our employees as well.
We have a worldwide team of safety professionals, and we see everybody from the top line executive down to a field employee as being responsible for safety at Asplundh. We will come into an area, assess it, work with the utilities, as a team devise the best plan to restore power to people as quick as possible.
Everyone on my crew is basically a family. We know each other's wives, how many kids everybody has, and who is all depending for everyone else to come home safe.
One of the best lines that my foreman tells me every day is, you don't get a second chance. Having a good foreman and a good crew that knows what they're doing and can teach you the right way to do things is definitely a plus.
The company was founded in 1928. It was founded by three brothers, and the principles that they started the company with was based on a better way, that there's a better way that we can solve the needs of our customers.
We have a tradition in our family that calling it orange blood. And we believe that it's not just the family members that have the orange blood, it's every employee that works for us.
Me, I personally like still coming to work after 25 years. I love working outdoors. Even though sometimes you gotta work in the elements, it's still fun for me to come to work.
It's just a great feeling to be able to work 2 weeks on a storm or more and know that you've helped an entire community get their lives back in order.
We don't want to just give a service level based on what the customer asks. We want to give a service level that's based on what's right.